Hey guys, for this video, we will draw and color the character Kirby. Kirby is a well-known character from Nintendo's video game series. Created by Masahiro Sakurai, Kirby is a small, pink, spherical creature who is known for his ability to inhale enemies and copy their abilities. The games usually revolve around Kirby's adventures in Dreamland, where he battles various foes and often saves his world from evil forces. This series is known for its colorful and cheerful art style, as well as its accessible gameplay, making it popular with both children and adults. There are many games in the Kirby series, spanning multiple Nintendo consoles, along with spin-offs and appearances in other games like Super Smash Bros. And we're done. See you in our next video.